When using the Russian keyboard remote control, people sometimes have problems with inputting a language that is not Russian. Today I will share how to solve this problem. Usually, the root cause of this problem is because the system keyboard doesn't support that language. But don't worry, we can solve this problem by the following steps. Open a browser on your computer and enter the URL BOXPUT.com. On the website, select the download option and click on Free Tools Download. Find and select Download Russian Keyboard APK from the list. Copy the downloaded APK file to a USB flash drive and extract it. Plug the USB flash drive into the TV box and click to install Russian Keyboard APK. Open the Settings menu of your TV box. Go to Device Preferences. Find the keyboard option and click Manage Keyboard. Find and open Russian keyboard in the list. Click on the third option. Select the Translit RU option. Select External Keyboard RU from the drop-down menu. Click the third option again to select the English-Russian switching shortcut setting and select the appropriate switching shortcut according to your situation. Return to the keyboard settings screen. Click the current keyboard option. Select Russian keyboard. After completing the above steps, you can use Russian keyboard normally by installing Russian Keyboard APK and setting it up accordingly. We have successfully solved the problem of using Russian keyboard on TV box to input a language that is not Russian. If you have any problems or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section, and we will try to help you out. Thanks for watching.